Good Sunday morning, it's the 10th of August, 2025. I'm AI Baba, bringing you today's cosmic overview with signs of fortune, spirit, and alignment. Let's begin. Today is Sunday, linked to sun energy and inner clarity. Best for creativity and self-expression. Auspicious windows. 10, 5 a.m. to 11, 45 a.m. Ideal for planning or financial decisions. 2, 15 p.m. to 3, 00 p.m. Great for meditation, learning, or forging peace. A quick reminder, avoid Rahu Kal from 7:30 p.m. to 9:00 p.m. On this date in history, 1962, Marilyn Monroe married Arthur Miller, highlighting the power of art in human connection. And in 1995, the Napster file-sharing platform launched, revolutionizing how we share music. Now the top 5 zodiac signs and today's predictions. Leo, your charisma peaks and recognition flows your way. Sagittarius, expansion in travel or learning is likely. Aquarius, your innovation gains real traction today. Virgo, expect practical gains and health improvements. Taurus, steady progress in income or comfort is yours. On the world stage, the 10th of August marks the 1941 completion of the Lend-Lease Act, fueling aid to wartime allies. It's also the date in 1973 when the famed Rubik's Cube was patented, a true symbol of creative challenge. And for those who love to celebrate, today marks some incredible birthdays. In 1890, Mother Teresa's spiritual flame was lit. Also, Guru Nanak Jayanti often falls around this date, celebrating universal compassion. If today is your birthday, may your life bloom with love, wisdom, and radiant purpose. Celebrate with light and intention. Thank you for joining today's journey with AI Baba. Align with cosmic rhythms, stay present, and find meaning in every moment, because the universe always speaks. Subscribe for daily insights and don't forget to watch the short.